come deep clean my salon with me. I deep clean it once a week, and then I just give it a little clean up at the end of each day. Little gypsy there on the floor. I'm going to use the hydro bath flush to clean out the hydro bath. So I'm going to put a cap full in the tank, fill it up with water, and then turn on the hose so it all cycles through, so it gives it a proper clean out. If you don't wash it out regularly, it will start to clog and start to smell, and it's pretty disgusting. So yeah, I normally give it a little rinse out every night when I finish, but then I do a big deep clean and flush all of that antibacterial wash through it, so it keeps it all well maintained. I'm then gonna literally scrub every single component of the bath. So I'm just gonna take everything out. There's loads of grime and dirt and everything that just gets in there. So I'm gonna give it a real deep clean. I'm incredibly sweaty at this point because I think it was like 25, 26 degrees, like boiling. I'm gonna take all the shampoos down. My salon is basically a wet room, so I could just take everything out and hose it down, which would probably be a lot easier. But I'm gonna be a pain in the arse, and I'm just gonna wipe down everything. So I'm gonna wipe it all down with some antibacterial spray, and then I'm gonna go over it with Blue Roll. I'm then gonna tidy out the crate, give all the hair a shake, and then I'm gonna wipe all of the walls down. I'm gonna clear out all the side now. So I've got like a little side on top of that crate, which is super convenient, but I just end up piling loads of shit on there. So I've just taken the toothbrush off. I'll take everything off, wipe it all down, and then I'm gonna clean out the little blaster, the filter, which is absolutely minging. I don't have room for a stand dryer, so I use that like little metal clip. I put that on the edge of the table and then put my little blaster on, but on low. And that works as a really good stand dryer. I think the clip was like £38 on Amazon, so I'll do another video and show you guys. But yeah, so I don't really have the space, so I just use a little blaster on low just to help prepare the coats. Wipe everything down, don't forget to wipe my certificate down. Because the walls are white, you can literally see everything, every splash of water, every piece of hair. So I normally give them a good wipe down every week. I'm gonna put everything back, and then I'm gonna go through my tray on my table. So again, I don't have a hell of a lot of space, but it's just me, but I have one of those little tidy things that I put on the table, which is really, really useful. I think I got it from Christie's. I'll do another little video with that. But yeah, I'm just wiping down, cleaning out with my scissors, giving them a good wipe down. Try not to cut myself through this whole process, but I have been known to cut myself several times just being absolutely stupid like this. I'm gonna wipe all my combs down as well, all the nail clippers, and then I'm going to wipe down all my clippers and that as well, just put them on charge. I remove the hair catcher in the hydro bath, so it's like a little netted bag that catches everything and is rank. So so it catches all the hair, all the like other bits and pieces. So I'm gonna empty this out and then I'll show you later what I do with it. I'll do another video. There's this hair removal stuff that I use from Amazon, which basically completely disintegrates the hair. So yeah, I give it a clean with that. I give my clippers a clean. I generally get them serviced and well, yeah, serviced and the blade sharpened every like 3 months, just to keep good care of them. And then yeah, I'm gonna move everything out of the way, give the wall a wipe down. And another wall wipe down, just because the other ones weren't fun enough. But you can see it's just absolutely grim under where the table is. Look. And then if that wasn't enough, I'm then gonna wipe down all of the windows as well, because the table's right next to the window. So that gets absolutely grim as well. Obviously the table gets wiped down. It gets wiped down every day, but I just wipe it down because obviously I've been working that day as well. And then I'm gonna give the floor a good mop as well. So I'm gonna get rid of all the hair and then I'm gonna go over it again. I do try and hoover up as well, but because the floor, I don't know, it just doesn't work that well. So I like to mop everything down. And then I'm going to empty the bins. And I think I pretty much emptied the bin all over the floor, which was really useful. So yeah, I do that, ready for collection. So I've got one clean hair, one dirty hair. So they go different ways. And then I'm gonna wipe more windows down because that's just super fun, right? So wipe it all down. And then that's it, my lovely clean salon. I'm gonna take my water with me. I'm gonna lock up, turn off the mains, turn off the water, and then I'm gonna forget about it for another week. So if you stuck with me, well done.